Hello children, hope everyone is safe and healthy. So I am Chaitra. I'll be handling computer grade 4 both state and CBSE. Let us see the contents now. What you're going to learn in this year: computer fundamental, Windows 11, Microsoft Word 2010, editing in MS Word, formatting in MS Word, applications of computer, steps to internet, MS PowerPoint 2010. So let us see the contents in brief. Parts of computer, storage devices, operating system, introduction to Windows 7, Microsoft Word editing and formatting, applications of computer, steps to internet, and MS PowerPoint 2010. So let us begin with the chapter 1, computer fundamentals. So computer fundamentals is just basics of computer. So I have divided into two parts, part A and part B. So part B, you are going to learn about what is a computer, uses of computer, then parts of computer, then input devices or output devices. Then in part B, you're going to learn about the CPU, that is central processing unit, and the storage devices with little some exercises. While doing exercises, please keep your textbook with you. So let us begin with what is a computer. Here the teacher is asking the students. So let me ask you, so what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine which works very fast and accurate than the human being. So why this computer is used? So computer can do a lot of calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is also used to compare two or more sets of data. So hope you know what is calculations and what is comparison. So everybody is familiar with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So next is, let us see some of the uses of computer. There are many uses of computers. Here are some of the uses. So a computer is used to read, a computer is used to play games, computer is used to draw and paint, computer is used to watch movies and cartoons, computer is used to listen to music, and computer is also used to browse internet. So let us now see the parts of computer. So computer is divided into three parts, that is input unit or input devices, central processing unit, that is your CPU, and output unit or output devices. You can see in the image there are speakers, desktop, monitor, keyboard, mouse, headphones and printer and CPU. So the basic four parts is desktop, keyboard, CPU and mouse. So let us see about the IPO cycle. So IPO cycle is nothing but the input, process and the output. While doing the processing, storage also takes place. So what is input? We are going to give some input to the system, and what is process? The input data is processed, and what is output? We get some output. Suppose we are going to add two numbers, 2 plus 2. So we are going to input the number 2 to the system, and we are asking to do the addition, that is processing, and then we want the output as 4. So now they are asking, can anyone tell me what are all the input device, output device, storage device and processing unit? So let us see one by one or discuss one by one now. Next, let us see about the input unit or input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, digital camera and web camera, joystick, magnetic ink character reader, biometric, barcode reader, trackball, light pen and pen tablet. Children, we are familiar with keyboard and mouse. So there are some other input devices like scanner, microphone, digital camera, web camera, joystick, magnetic ink reader, biometric, barcode reader, trackball, light pen, pen tablet. So let us see what are the uses and how it looks and why they are called as input devices. So children, can you just see the keyboard here? So this is the keyboard. You can just see there are functional keys here from F1 to F12. Then there are some alphabetical keys from A to Z, and there are number keys here, and above the number you can find the symbol keys. So you have some special keys like space bar, backspace, delete and caps lock. So you hope you know the uses of these keys. Spacebar is used to give the space between the two words or two letters. Backspace deletes the character towards the left side. Delete key deletes the character towards the right side, and caps lock is used to make the letters to the capital letter. Keyboards has buttons called as keys. So why we use keyboard is just for the typing. There are letters, numbers and symbols on the keyboard. So next let us discuss about the mouse. Can you just see in the image? Mouse has two buttons, that is left and right. We call it as left click and right click. And there is a center button which is called as scroll wheel. So mouse is a pointing device used to draw pictures. Can you just see the arrow here? A small arrow moving on the screen, that is on the desktop, is called as mouse pointer. Now let us see some basic operations. Single click, that is select a program or a file. Double click, open a file or a program. We are going to just press the left button twice. For single click, you are going to press the left button single. Next, right click displays the properties. Then drag and drop, drop or move. That is, you're going to drag a file and you're going to keep it anywhere on the screen or inside the computer. Else you can just copy the file and you can paste it anywhere. So next let us see about the scanner. Scanner is used to scan and store documents into the computer, which includes photos, pictures, letters and project work file, etc. Can you just see the scanner image here? So it is an input device used to scan and store documents into the computer. So next let us see about the microphone. Microphone is used to record voice, music and sound. It is also used to talk with friends and relatives. Next, the digital camera. Hope everyone is familiar with the digital camera, used to capture and store videos. Here photos and videos are stored digitally without any film. So next you can see the web camera here, image and video capturing device. So this is a image and video capturing. You're going to capture the image as well as the video. They are same as the digital camera but fixed to the computer. So next let us see about the joystick. Can you just see the image of the joystick here? It's an input device used to play games. There are many other input devices such as magnetic ink reader, which are going to read the data directly, and barcode scanner used to read the printed barcodes. Hope you have seen in grocery stores, then shops everywhere the barcode scanner. Then the trackball. By rolling the ball with the thumb, you can move the pointer. Hope you know what is pointer, the mouse pointer. Then biometric, it's a fingerprint scanner to track the attendance of the employees. So it's an input device just to keep the track of the employee. So when he has logged in and when he has logged out of the company. Next, light pen, it's a pointing device to draw the picture directly on the screen, that is on the monitor. Next is the pen tablet, used to draw pictures with the pad and the pen. Next, let us see about the output devices. So some of the output devices are monitor, speaker, printer and plotter. So let us discuss one by one now. So monitor, it's a visual display unit of the computer. Can you just see the monitor children here? It just looks like a television. So it shows the work done on the screen. There are three types of monitors, that is LCD, CRT and LED monitor. So next let us discuss about other output unit, that is speaker. Speaker is used to hear the voice, music and sound. Next is the plotter. Plotter is the output device used to take the large printouts. So just like banners, everything, you can just take the printer of this plotter. Can you just see the plotter? Now let us see the printer. Printer is used to take print of the document, pictures, graphs, etc. This printed copy is called as hard copy. So it's a best example for the output device. Many of you have seen the printer, I think. There are three types of printers: laser printer, inkjet printer and dot matrix printer. This is the inkjet printer and this is the dot matrix printer. So I have given you some of the questions here. So you can just write your name, date and the class. So computer basics, that is input and output devices. You need to answer these questions. Name the 4 basic parts of the computer system. What part of a computer is considered as the brain of computer? Select an item that would be used as an output device on the computer system. You need to select one item or one device here. Select an item that would be used as an input device on the computer system. Here one is the input device. Next, label the computer parts, that is the mouse and the keyboard. You need to tell what it is, whether it's the input or whether it's the output. So some more I have given here. You need to just I for the input and O for the output here. You can just see monitor, keyboard, scanner, pen, printer, mouse, speakers, camera, touchpad and headphones are there. You need to just mention whether it is input or whether it is output. So I for the input and O for the output. Similarly, you can just identify the parts of the computer. It's already given down here. Options are given down. Just please write down the parts of the computer. So thank you children. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.